Set up.
Welcome to King Spanner. Today we will add a twist to our favorite comfort food, the fried chicken. Click the subscribe button to receive a lifetime supply of awesomeness. It's a simple recipe. Don't mess this up. Let's prepare the ingredients. 3 to 4 bags of Cheetos chips. In this tutorial, we will use a half kilogram of chicken lollipops, 2 medium-size eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Time to pound those Cheetos. Very good. Beat the eggs. Cool. Put the meat in a mixing bowl. Very good. Then season it with salt and pepper. Massage and mix thoroughly and leave it for 10 minutes to marinate. Cool. Heat the pan and oil using medium heat. You better watch it in this angle. Hear those busset birds chirping while waiting for the oil to heat up. Busset. Now dip the chicken to egg first. Then Cheetos breading. Repeat at least 2 times. Now dip your chopstick to test if oil is hot. This is some Chinese feng shui ninja samurai technique. Keep it a secret.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Now time to fry those bad boys. I know. One angle is not enough. Suck it up. Those birds are loving the smell of our fried chicken. Keep on chirping. Wow, looks yummy. Now don't start telling your friends about this. This is a level 5 clear and secret delicious dip for our subscribers. So be warned. Click the subscribe button while you have time. Very good.
Nice.
Our friend approves. You better be right about the taste. Click the subscribe button to receive a lifetime supply of awesomeness. Thanks for watching.